In this ukulele video, we're going to do the next song in our blues challenge. This one is one of my favorites. This is based off Hendrix's, that's Jimi Hendrix, version of Killing Floor. I guess I'm messing around here crying on the killing floor. All right, so this is a great song. You're gonna have a lot of fun with this one. But first of all, welcome to Ukulele Killing Floor. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification. So this is part of our blues challenge. If you need the tab, if you need the backing tracks, if you want to take part in the challenge because the winner is going to win an ukulele, you have to sign up for this. This is ukelikethepros.com/challenge. We'll put a link of that below. Yeah, so this one's really cool. I call this sometimes the octave jump blues in my lessons, but is this all it is? If you struggle at any point in time during this lesson with any of the things I'm playing, that's where my Ukulele Pros Ukulele Blues Mastery course is going to come in. ukelikethepros.com/ukeblues. Check that out. I guarantee it's going to solve all your problems. All right, we're going to be in the key of A flat. Yeah, so A flat. Normally we do stuff in the key of A. Why? So we can do open positioning chords, but no, this one's going to be in A flat. This is the same key that Jimmy plays it in, by the way. And what's cool about these closed position, no open strings, meaning you can actually move these to different keys if you want by moving it up the fretboard. But we're going to be right here on the first fret. I do have a low G. If you have a high G, that's fine. You can do it. It's going to sound slightly different, but it still works. All right, I'm going to use my thumb for this one. That's it. That's the whole pattern. Now, once you get this pattern down, it's actually going to be the same for the other chords, A flat, D flat, and E flat. Okay, it's going to be first fret here, fourth string, and I'm doing octave. That's my second string, fourth fret. That's an octave if you have a low G. If you have a high G, that's a unison because those two notes are going to be exactly the same. Then I'm going to go to the second fret, my second finger, and then I'm going to be up here on the third fret, third string with my third finger. Now that's the pattern. So it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's ones. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4. Right. All right. Now that's the basic version. You might hear me doing this instead. That's just a little bit of fancier. And all I'm doing at the end there is I'm just going from 3. I'm going to pull off to 1 and then back to 3. So it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and... All right, and this one's going to be a straight blues. It's going to be like a driving, kind of a rock blues as opposed to a slow shuffle blues, right? All right, so that's 4 times on the A flat. Then you're going to do the same pattern on the 4 chord, the D flat chord. It's going to be slightly different because you're going to go first fret of the third string, reach out to the first string of the fourth fret of the first string, then second fret. Now, here's where it's going to change slightly. You're going to go to the second string, fourth fret, okay? But it's really the same pattern. It's just going to alter differently, that one note there. All right, so let's do this twice. 3 and... If you're going to do the fancier version there, it's going to be this. Just a pull off from the fourth fret to the second fret and back to the fourth fret. All right, back to the 1 chord, the A flat, 3 and... One more time. Now we get to the 5 chord. What's the 5 chord? E flat. Okay, that's going to be on the third string, third fret. Same pattern as the D flat, just up 2 frets. So here we go. We're just going to do it 1 time and slide it back to D flat. Check this out. Got this cool kind of walk up using the blues scale, the A flat blues scale. So it's going to be 1, 1, 4, 4 now. Same string. Next string down. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4. Now you can either do the whole thing again like we're going to do with the backing track 2 times, or you can end it right there on the first fret. That's your root note or your tonic A flat. All right, now when we do the back track, like I said, we're going to do it 2 times, but when the vocals come in, there's a vocal pickup, meaning the vocals start before the actual lick. So it's 2, 3, I should have quit you long time ago. I should have quit you. Yeah. Long time ago. I should have quit you, pretty baby. Went on down to Mexico. All right, and then again, we do the second verse. All right, we're ready. Let's go ahead now. When you hear the backing track, it's gonna have 8 clicks up front, then 1 measure of drums. That's gonna be for your vocal pickup, and then we're gonna be right in. Come on, let's do it. Killing Floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. I should have quit you long time ago. I should have quit you long time ago. Should have quit you, pretty baby, on down to Mexico. Oh, Lord knows I should have been gone. Oh, Lord knows I should have been gone. Go ahead, guess I'm messing around here crying, crying on the killing floor. All right, so don't forget, you can get the backing tracks. By the way, there is a slow backing track as well on there. That was a fast backing track. ukelikethepros.com/challenge. Sign up for it. Get the PDFs, get all the backtracks, enter to win an ukulele. By the way, you notice I did the easy version, a little bit of the hard version, even threw a little twist in there a couple of times. But that's the Killing Floor for our blues challenge. Can't wait to see your versions of it, and we'll see you next time.